Hello and welcome to video number 6. We're going to talk about the required site pages. Now, obviously, these are pages that every single membership site should have, but it doesn't really limit you. You definitely can have more than that, but these pages should definitely help lower your refund rate. Not guaranteed necessarily, but in our test, they have. So definitely the first page, in this case, would be the welcome page. So in addition to a welcome page, you might want to have a welcome video. And if you can't do this yourself, I'd recommend going on Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, do a search for video spokesperson and look for somebody to do a video for you if you cannot do the video yourself. Now, this welcome page should have a welcome video, like I said, and it should welcome people. It should thank them for becoming a member. And more importantly, it should guide them through what they need to do next. A lot of times people join a membership site and they don't know what to do next. So then they get confused, they get frustrated, they get angry, and then they get a refund. And you don't want that. So that welcome video should walk them through all of your site pages. So typically you want to do this last when everything is said and done, so you can guide them through the process of how to use your site, how to use the modules, how to contact you if they need problems. And really the source of refund rates tend to be that, or of course, the next thing, being overwhelmed. So the next thing is you definitely want to have modules or categories. What I recommend that you do is split your site up so that it is consumable. What I mean by that is that you split your site up into bite-sized pieces so that people can consume it, they can learn it, but they're not going to get overwhelmed. So it's okay if you have more modules, as long as you break things up in a sequential or logical breakdown. It's going to help you in the long run. And then, of course, you want to have a contact page. Long time ago when we ran membership sites, a lot of times we would forget this page. And unfortunately, people would also do refunds because they could not contact us. So when it comes down to what help desk should you use, we have found there are two that are really good. We have tested Freshdesk. We really love that. But we also have heard really great things about Zendesk, which is very similar to those. And having a help desk is actually easier than responding via email, because then you have everything in a centralized location. You can log in every so hours and see it. And you can also outsource this and hire a customer support rep to actually do it for you. Then, of course, you definitely want to have some sort of training. And what I mean by training is it shows them how to use your product to the next level, how to use your product to the max, essentially. And the reason for that is because a lot of times people log into your membership site and they may not know how to use it, which is the welcome video. But in addition to that, they may not know how to use it beyond what you have given them. So giving them some extra training to help them take things to the next step is going to be crucial. And then, of course, this is not required, but having a community, especially a Facebook group, is a definite plus. Now, you could potentially use this as a upsell or a one-time offer. So you could charge a fee to get people into your door, like we showed you in the blueprint in video number 4. And then, of course, have an upsell or a one-time offer and get people into your community. So having those things are definitely crucial for any membership site, no matter what niche that you are in. All right. So if you want to stick with that, that's fine. If you want to add to that and add different site pages that you feel like your audience and your niche will be able to relate to, go for it. All right. So with that said, let's move on to video number 7.